It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing.
Però hi ha piles i piles també,
Tio, estem empatats tot el rato. Quines són les millors? Quals són les que van més bé?
Els molts que li consolen.
Family's all that we got. Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side. And now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you.
Ha trolejat fort aquí, Tècnicament a les curses fa això, si surt... Bueno, ja estaríem eliminats, però... Vale, no xoco. El meu ja pot rectificar, també. Tio, però això no puja res. Vale, quan vulgueu ja diré jo, doncs. Què he de dir? Va. Dic ja o no?
Sí, ràpid.
Apartar-lo. Vale, va. Us trobarem molt a faltar, esperem que us vagi molt bé. Molta sort!
And when brotherhood come first, and the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn, and that line is what we reach. So remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side. And now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
Let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. It's been a long
Està a les piles, vosaltres?
without you, my friend.
Sí, nosaltres sí, massa, tio.
Veus, no passa per res. Ja està.
Ara ens guanyeu.
Tu va fer, no t'explico. No, no prendrem pas, aquí sí.
Tira, ja està.
Aquest va molt ràpid,
Vale, qui és el que està atrapant en el d'en Jaume?
El meu. És que no, de fa tant descampionat. No. Quan si xoc, després aquest l'altre més.
Vale, ara sí.
Ha de tocar, que pots tenir un accident.
Story of